Here at Breezy Keys, we use the Odoo Quality application to handle quality control for our top-notch mechanical keyboards. Let's take a look. Here we see the Odoo Quality dashboard, which allows us to view all of our company's quality teams at a glance. From each team's card, I can view all of the quality checks currently in progress, as well as any existing alerts that the team is responsible for investigating. Now, let's produce one unit of our most popular keyboard, the Easy Breezy, to see how Odoo Quality is used in every step of our manufacturing and fulfillment workflows. The process begins when we receive keyboard parts ordered from a vendor. One of our warehouse employees is about to register a shipment of keycaps into our inventory. Since we've set up a quality control point for items arriving in our warehouse, the employee is prompted to conduct a quality check in Odoo. This check requires them to confirm that the symbols printed on the arriving keycaps match those shown on the example layout. Since checking every keycap set would be too time-consuming, we've set up the control point so that every 10th set will be checked. This set looks good, so the quality check passes, allowing the employee to validate their order and add the arriving keycaps into our stock. Now they can be used to manufacture the new keyboard. Let's jump over to the Odoo Manufacturing app, where we'll get to see how quality also integrates with the production line. As we can see on this manufacturing order, the first step for building the keyboard is to add key switches. For the Easy Breezy, we use brown tactile switches. Our customers love them because they have a satisfying click without being too noisy. The manufacturing employee operating our assembly workstation is using Odoo's shop floor module to process each Add Key Switches work order. For this work order, we've set up a pass-fail check that prompts the employee to confirm that every key switch is the same make and model. Looks like this batch of key switches passes the quality check, so they then get added to the keyboard. Now, the employee moves on to the next step, adding key caps. They grab the Galactic Clack set from our inventory and begin placing them on the key switches. With all the keycaps in place, the keyboard is now fully assembled. However, the employee is instructed to conduct one last quality check to make sure it works properly. They plug the keyboard into the computer at their workstation, which recognizes it as an input device. After testing each key to make sure they all work, the employee clicks Pass on the quality check. With assembly now complete, the keyboard is added to our inventory and can be shipped to a lucky customer. Not only will they get an awesome new keyboard, they'll receive a complimentary coiled USB-C cable as well, which is also manufactured by our Breezy Keys team. Right now, the employee staffing our cable station is cutting cables with the intergalactic colorway, which perfectly matches the Galactic Clack keycaps. We've set up a measure quality check to confirm that every cable is cut within a specified tolerance of the correct length. Oh no, it seems that the employee cut this cable half an inch too short. After confirming the incorrect measurement, Odoo shows them a failure message that then instructs them to put the defective cable in the failed bin before moving on to the next one. They also create a quality alert to notify the main quality team of the issue, all without leaving the tablet view. The employee cuts the next cable to the correct length and sends it to the final workstation, after which it is entered into our inventory. All right, now that we've manufactured both the keyboard and USB cable, we're ready to package and ship them to a customer. However, before validating the delivery order, one of our warehouse employees is required to conduct a final pass-fail check to confirm that both items have been placed in the shipping box. Looks like everything is in the box, so the check passes, the order is validated, and the package is sent to the customer. The keyboard is exactly what they were hoping for, and they leave a rave review on our website. And there you have it. Quality control is easily implemented throughout every step of the manufacturing process, all thanks to the Odoo Quality app. Odoo Quality, quality management made simple, and so much more.